Hi everyone, it's Miss Angel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a super fun craft to make a super simple sock bunny. And it's going to look a little something like this. For the materials that you're going to need a sock, and then some ribbon, your choice what colors. You're going to need a black marker or any color marker, some scissors, and then 2 rubber bands if you have to, or if not, 1 will work as well. And then lastly, you're going to need something to fill the sock up with. So you could use rice, or I'm using beans today. So just really anything that you have at home. So what you're going to want to start by doing is just filling up the socks. You're going to take your beans or rice or whatever you have and just start filling the top. So once you have that filled up, that's when you're going to take your rubber band, and my sock's pretty big, so I used a lot of beans, but you don't need that many. So what you're going to do is just take your rubber band and you're going to tie it around the top. You want to make sure that it's nice and tight too. Be careful that you don't break the rubber band. So at least 3 times around. And it's going to look something like that. So the next step is to take your ribbon, cut that up. And what you're going to do is you're just going to put it in the middle, or a little higher up, I guess, because this is going to be the head shape. And then you're just going to tie that around super tight. You could also use a rubber band for this as well, but you're going to tie that super tight around. That should be good. And I'm actually going to use 1 more ribbon to make a cute little bow. Voila. So once you've done that, you're just about done. The next part, you're going to take your scissors. And if you want the ears a little shorter, you can cut this part down, which I'm actually going to do. I'm just going to cut this a little bit shorter because my sock is so big. Okay, so once you have your sock sticking up like this, what you're going to do is you're just going to cut right up the middle towards the rubber band. You want to get really close to it, but not too close where that rubber band's going to open up and your rice or beans will fly out. So I'm going to cut it to about... After you cut the sock, it's going to look something like that. And then the last step, you're just going to take your Sharpie and you're going to draw a face on it. This part you can be creative with, so really however you like. I'm just going to go ahead and draw some eyes on here. And there you have it. There's your bunny. So again, you guys can be creative. You can draw the face however you want. You could use different colored socks, or you could even draw with markers on the actual sock. So it's really however you want it to turn out. But here is your sock bunny. I'm excited to see all of your crafts. If you do one, make sure you take a video, post it, and tag Gemstone Gymnastics with the hashtag Gemstone at home. And every video that you post, you're actually going to get entered into a contest with the chance to win something. So let us see those videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it.